Welcome to aminacademy.com. In GMAT, let us do some problems regarding quantitative practice test. In that, let us do problems regarding data sufficiency. Look at this example. Daniel rides to school each day on path that takes his first to a point directly east of his house, and then from there directly north to his school. How much shorter would his ride to school be if he could walk on a straight line path directly to school from his home instead of east and then north? Here, Mr. Daniel, he writes school like here. Suppose make it this direction. This is east, north, east, west, north, south. Here, first statement says the direct straight line distance from home to school is 17 miles. First, he travels like directly east and to the north of the school. Now, his direct distance is given 17 miles. Here, we cannot find the difference between the distance of towards eastward from east to north. So the statement 1 is itself not enough to find the how much shorter would his ride from the school be if he could walk on a straight path directly to the school from his home instead east then north. Like means these two distances we cannot get the comparison now. Then second information, the distance of rates to the east is 7 miles lesser than the distance of the rates going the north. Here, suppose east is 7 miles lesser than the north. Is suppose this eastward distance is x, then north distance is x plus 7. Now this statement 2 itself is not enough to find the distance of each. Now if you combine both, we can, that is statement 1 and statement 2, we can form an equation. Here is by Pythagoras, that is x square plus x plus 7 whole square equal 17. By solving this quadratic equation, you can find the value of x, then find two distances. Means this both statement together we need to solve this problem. Means this is option C. Then next question, what is the slope of the line M? Here first, the line M intersect x-axis at the point 4, 0. Here this statement 1 itself not enough to solve the problem because we need 2 points to find the slope of any line in the plane. Next, the statement 2, the equation of the line M, which is given 3y equal x minus 4, therefore y equal x by 4 minus x by 3 minus 4 by 3. Here we know the general equation of the line in slope form, y equals mx plus c. Here this m is the slope. Here slope is 1 over 3 here, because x over 3 is slope is 1 over 3. So the statement 2 itself enough to find the solution of the problem. Therefore the by 1 we cannot do, so this is the option B. Means statement 2 can be used but not by 1. Next question, Jacob is a salesperson. He earns monthly salary plus a commission on all sales over $4,000. How much did he earn this month? Means his he can get a commission after his sales of 4,000, then he get the commission. But the statement 1 says his monthly salary is 855 and his total sales over 4,000 were 4,532.30. Here, this in statement 1, there is no information about how much the commission, means how much percentage of the commission is given. So the statement 1 cannot be used here. The statement 2, his total sales for the month is $8,532.30. Even this also not enough to find his total monthly earn, because here also the percentage of commission is not given. So both statement is not enough to solve this problem. So it is option E. Next, here the triangle ABC is similar to triangle ADE. Here the triangle ABC is similar to triangle ADE, which means the corresponding side ratios are equal. Here the first statement, BC parallel to DE. Here first statement, he says BC parallel to DE is enough to say this triangle ABC is similar to triangle ABC similar to triangle ADE, since the sides DE parallel to BC. So the statement 1 is enough to say these triangles are similar. The statement 2 says AD is equal to AE. Only here AD equal AE. This information is not enough to say these two triangles are similar. So the option A means only first statement we can reach the solution, the second statement not. Next question. The formula for compounded interest can be defined as A equal P into 1 plus R power n, where A is the total value of the investment, P is the principal invested, R is the interest rate per period, and n is the number of periods. If a $1,000 principal is invested, which banks gives a better interest rate for saving accounts, bank A or bank B? Here the formula is given for compound interest. Here first statement says the interest rate at bank A is 4% compounded annually. Here the first statement will not say about the bank percentage. That means interest percentage on bank B is not given in statement 1. So the statement 1 itself not enough to compare the investment compare with the bank B. Then second one, the total amount of interest earned at bank B over a period of 5 years is total interest earned by bank B 5 years is given. Here also we cannot compare the interest rate with compare with the earning of bank A. Means here so option C means that we'll see one more time here. Here not have the enough information to substitute into the formula, you would need both statements. Means we have principal rate or and number of years. Bank A to bank B, again you do not need to actually compute the interest earned once you can answer the questions. So the option C means both both together we can by using statement 1 and 2 together we can get the answer of this question. So option C means the statement 1 and statement together you have to use and apply the values in the formula, then we can get the required information. Now further problems we will do next video. We have done. Please subscribe our YouTube channel.